fights went down at Ray's place. He cleaned up.
Get it. Get the mouse. Get it, Marley, get it.
Ray came off in Chesapeake. So you and Collins, you fought each other. We didn't want to, but we didn't have a choice. The fights are random draw. When it was over,
Get the mouse, get it. Get it. Throw it around.
Get it, Riley, get it.
Come on, Kit Kat. Kit Kat, get the mouse.
Get it, Riley.
Here.
Could be covering for someone.
my own bare hand.
Get it. Get it.
Told me that you guys were looking for me. I freaked out.
I'm gonna get it.
I owe it to Greg.
I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get your mouse. I'm gonna get it.
He's dead because of me. You in the car with him?
Go get it.
His eyes were practically swollen, shots from the fight. I told him that it wasn't safe to drive. He wouldn't listen. I tried to stop him, and he just got in his car and he left.
Get it.
His car. What? Crash wasn't an accident. Somebody killed him? Who shot at him? These fighters have a grudge. I don't know any of them. Greg would just bring me in to make some extra dough when I was tight on cash. Names? Reaper? Wild Dog? No, they're real names. I don't know their real names. But when I find out who did this to Greg, they're going to know mine, and that is the last thing they are ever know.
Get the mouse. Get it. Go get the mouse.
Backyard brawlers.
Get it.
I doubt they're the most stable kind of people.
Big, hairy, sweaty Neanderthals pounding the pudding out of each other for giggles.
For green. One of those fighters made a lot of money.
I'd pay to see the right battle. Like Leroy Jethro versus...
Diva.
Oh, Ricky, I was thinking like Terminator.
Which model? TX? T1000?
Oh, Gibbs Terminix.
All right,
You
how
want the mouse?
Gibbs versus Godzilla?
You want the mouse?
King of the Monsters.
Get it. Go get it.
Greenland and a nanosecond. Come on, give me something fierce. Bossman's got mad skills.
All right.
As you can see, Kit Kat is seriously not interested in it.
Gibbs.
Oh, that's good. Okay, so, evil twin or a clone? Gibbs. Good timing. I have something to show you. Okay, we found 3 layers of paint on the left rear quarter panel. Silver, and then brown, and then silver again over the original gold. This is old-fashioned bumper cars.
By using the tire skids on the road, we were able to recreate the accident.
The first layer of paint is silver. It came from the evil mystery car. Bam.
Don't kill it. No biting of it. They don't want you to break it.
Then Collins was
You're
shot.
too funny. Dog thinking that she's a cat. That's what happens when you have a dog that was raised with 2 cats.
The second layer of paint.
And then another. Bam. As the evil car hits Collins car one last time.
Oh, she went away for raisins. Let me grab it.
Confirming that evil.
Kit Kat, want the mouse, Kit Kat? Kitty. Oh shit, I binged her in the head. Sorry, Kit Kat.
Not so much.
So we should be able to trace it. And do it.
Come on, get the mouse.
Yes, indeed.
Get it. Get it.
I lost the fight. Not sure I even ever won one. Cross-referencing the database of
Let's see,
automakers.
Kit Kat, let's get the ball.
Maserati Quattro for 2009.
Need some serious coin to roll on one of those. Find it.
Several registered in the tri-states area to belong to...
Nobody wants the ball.
Unfortunately,
Argento silver. Got it. Ambercraft Summers.
Wow. Looks rich. It is rich. Father died 3 years ago after the family's import business.
Which one are you going to go after? The ball?
Bring her in.
The ball or the mouse?
You're on.
Oops.
Afternoon. Dale Cap. Seller's personal attorney.
Playtime's over.
Sure. Please.
What happened? Playtime over? Kit Kat. Oh, that pretty kitty.
The eye of the cougar, bro.
Look at that pretty Kit Kat.
Isn't she married? She's a hot jumbo cat. The cougar. It's always on the hunt.
Get it, Kit Kat, get it. Get the mouse.
It's not cougars like young guys.
Get it, Kit Kat. Uh-oh, Marley's coming in for the kill.
It is extremely mortifying for my client. Washa has nothing to hide.
Get it, Kit Kat. Get it. Get the mouse. Kit Kat, get the mouse. Get the mouse, Kit Kat. Get it. She snuck away. She took it. Look at her. She's running away with it.
My car. It was involved in a hit-and-run accident last night. But my husband and I were both there for the evening, getting massages. Then we need to talk to your husband.
You are.
Dale is my current husband.
Carl.
Right. Husband number
Kit Kat.
4. Dale handled my previous divorce. Mazel tov.
We never left our home. Car drove itself. Yeah. We have a dozen house employees who
Kit
can
Kat.
possibly access the motor pool, cooks, gardeners.
She's like, leave me alone. I don't bother now.
Oh, I'm sorry. It's been taken this afternoon to our home in Nantucket.
Actually filmed at Hampton's cottage.
I told you, we're spending Christmas in Nantucket. Don't you ever listen? Still, we need to see the car.
I'll take care of it. Any other questions for my client? Is my wife being charged? Agent Gibbs. Not yet. Then we're leaving. Thank you.
Oh, no fingerprint off the glass trick. Who needs DNA?
Abby?
You're right. DNA. It's no like what? Okay, well, doesn't match the parcel from the car. It wasn't Tabitha. We'll start rounding off the
Kit Kat, get it. Get it. Oh, look, there's covered this
I
fish
thought you
meat.
said her prints didn't match. That's not from Tabitha's glass. It's from her husband's. Bill Cat.
Going back here.
You sneaky little girl.
I'll put it on the board.
So, okay.
I'm already triangulating for a signal, kid. Gotta be faster than that. Got him. He's on the phone right now, and he's still on the base. As a matter of fact, he is right in the number. That's weird. Looks like he's turning into a lobby.
Over here.
Everyone, I guess. Hi, this is Special Agent Anthony. You know, you just shut down the front gate. It's locked down.
To get the car and then just drove off. Left me. First thing it runs, the no cap.
Welcome back to Character Fantasy. Classic car lover Chris has learned all about this 1958 Cadillac. Now, we're taking it to the street. All right, let's hit it. So how does this car handle different from just your average run-of-the-mill car?
It's pretty wild driving this car. It's really big.
It's a ginormous steering wheel.
Yes. This is sort of the quintessential LA experience. The sunny weather, the convertible top down. This is like old school Hollywood. This is just a piece of what makes LA great.
So
Get the mouse. Get the mouse. Get the mouse.
Driving this is
Look at the mouse.
definitely work up an appetite.
All right, well, I know a really cool 50s diner up ahead. So you want to go down?
Sounds great.
Okay.
Look at the ball. Where's the ball, Marley? Marley.
Cruising around and
toy?
Classic vehicle.
Where's your toy?
Eat an old classic type diner. So let's enjoy the food and then get back out on the road.
Oh, I totally missed
All
it.
right, Chris, well, now I'm actually going to let you handle this baby on your own. That's cool.
I think that's cool.
So I'll meet you back at the beach.
She's
Have
gonna go for
fun.
the swim.
I'll see you later, alligator.
Yes, Zach.
When we come back, Chris cruises LA solo. We crown a new king of the road when Character Fantasy returns.
Wednesday, did Sean buy a gift for a criminal? You wanted a present?
I had no choice. You know, it was Jean's last Christmas.
You forgot my birthday.
Kit Kat, get the mouse.
New episode
Kit
Wednesday.
Kat, get the mouse. Get it, get it, get it.
And now USA's character to watch. Legendary reporter Mike Pomeroy has done it all.
Cold colon call from a burning jeep. I had lunch with the jeep.
But now he has a new assignment.
I'd like to offer you the position of co-host of Daybreak.
With a new producer and a new co-host.
Is he going to cook? Is he going to do fashion segment?
Not my thing.
He'll bring a unique style to morning TV.
I'm not saying a word fluffy.
Mike Pomeroy, USA's character to watch. Morning Glory, in theaters Wednesday.
He was meeting my friends for the first time. We knew the perfect...
Are you done playing? Marley. Marley.
Introducing Olive Garden's two new spaghetti dishes.
Are you done playing? Hey.
With herb-marinated chicken breast and a garlic cream sauce. Or with savory
I'm gonna shut you off.
both served with our unlimited salad and breadsticks. Olive Garden, when you're here, your family.
Say goodbye to the camera. Say goodbye to the camera. Get it, Kit Kat. Get it, Kit Kat. Get it, get it, get it, Kit Kat. Get it, get it, get it. Oh, snuck in again.
AT&T covers 97% of all Americans. Rethink possible.
There's lots
No.
of dark chocolate in you for your soul. And what is it about chocolate? Me?
You're such a good girl. You're such a silly girl.
Forget
Marley.
Pepper.
Marley.
Good. Here's the details.
You can do this, silly girl. You're such a silly girl. Don't you realize you're a dog? Hey. Don't you realize you're a dog? Not a cat. Don't you realize that? You're such a silly girl. Bye. Love you. I love that little girl. Oh, that pretty little girl.